Good morning. In this class, we are going to solve some problems in Laplace transformations. So, this is the new property. If L of f of t is equal to f of s, L of f of t is equal to f of s, then L of e power minus at f of t is equal to this L of f of t, this L of f of t is a function of f of s, then s is replaced by s plus a, s is replaced by s plus a. If it is e power minus at, we have to replace s by s plus a. Okay. So similarly, L of e power plus at f of t is equal to, or otherwise we can write f of s. Otherwise we can write f of s, where s tends to s is replaced by s plus a. So again, L of f of t where s is replaced by s minus a. S minus a. This is most important property. So when we have the function is multiply with e power minus at, then we have to find the Laplace transformation of f of t and s is replaced by s plus a. Similarly, s is replaced by s minus a. Okay. So problem number 1, find Laplace transformation of e power minus at into t power 5. E power minus at into t power 5. Okay. Or e power minus at e power minus 3t into t power 5. Okay. So here L of f of t. F of t is equal to t power 5. L of t power 5 is equal to solution. L of t power 5 is equal to 5 factorial divided by s power 5 plus 1, 6. We know that L of t power n, L of t power n is equal to n factorial divided by s power n plus 1. Okay. So this is L of f of t. So therefore now L of e power minus 3t into t power 5 is equal to L of f of t, t power 5. S is replaced by s plus 3. S is replaced by s plus 3. So therefore this is equal to L of t power 5 is equal to 5 factorial divided by s is replaced by s plus 3. Therefore s plus 3 the whole power 6. The whole power 6. So this is our required Laplace transformation of e power minus 3t into t power 5. Okay. Then question number 2 is, find L of e power minus 3t into sine 4t. So solution. First of all, you have to find out L of sine 4t. L of sine 4t is equal to 4 divided by s square plus 4 squared. S square plus 4 squared, because sine 80, L of sin at is equal to a divided by s square plus a square, s square plus a square. So therefore L of e power minus 3t sin 4t is equal to L of f of t, L of f of t, that is sin 4t, then s is replaced by s plus 3, s is replaced by s plus 3. What is L of sin 4t? So this is equal to 4 divided by s square plus 16, s is replaced by s plus 3. So therefore again I can write 4 divided by s plus 3 the whole square plus 16, which is equal to 4 divided by s square plus 6s plus 9 plus 16, so therefore 25. So this is our required answer for, so Laplace transformation of e power minus 3t, Laplace transformation of e power minus 3t into sin 4t, into sin 4t. Okay, next question is okay. Find Laplace transformation of e power minus 4t into sin 3t into cos 2t, into cos 2t. Okay. Solution. First of all, we know that L of e power minus at f of t is equal to L of f of t s tends to s plus a. Okay. So similarly, to prove that L of e power minus 4t into sin 3t cos 2t, okay, this is f of t, we have to find, so this is equal to L of sin 3t cos 2t as s tends to s plus 4, s plus 4, s plus 4. So first we have to find out L of sin 3t cos 2t. This is equal to, we know that sin c cos d, we know that sin c cos d is equal to 1 by 2 into sin c plus d plus sin c minus d, plus sin c minus d. So therefore this is equal to Laplace transformation of 1 by 2 into sin c plus d is sin 5t plus sin t, 3t minus 2t sin t. So therefore this is equal to 1 by 2 into Laplace transformation of sin 5t is equal to a divided by s square plus 25, s square plus 25 plus okay 1 by 2 into plus 1 divided by, so therefore s square plus 1 square, s square plus 1 square. This is nothing but L of sin 3t into cos 2t. So therefore I can, what we need, L of e power minus 4t into sin 3t cos 2t is equal to L of sin 3t into cos 3t, and s is replaced by s plus 4. S is replaced by s plus 4. So therefore 1 by 2 into 5 divided by s plus 4 the whole square plus 25. S plus 4 the whole square plus 25 plus 1 divided by s plus 4 the whole square plus 1. S plus 4 the whole square plus 1. Okay, so therefore this is equal to, if you simplify we can get. Okay, so therefore this is the result for question problem number 3. Okay, so next. The next question is problem number 4. Problem number 4 is e power minus 20 log. Find Laplace transformation of e power minus 2t into t power 7 by 2. T power 7 by 2. Okay. So solution. First, we have to find Laplace transformation of t power 7 by 2. So we know that Laplace transformation of t power n is equal to n factorial divided by s power n plus 1. S power n plus 1. So this is equal to, okay, or otherwise gamma of, or otherwise we can write gamma of n plus 1 divided by s power n plus 1. Gamma of n plus 1 divided by s power n plus 1. Both are same. So therefore I can write here gamma of n plus 1, 7 by 2 plus 1 divided by s power 7 by 2 plus 1. Okay, so therefore this is equal to gamma of 9 by 2 divided by s power 9 by 2. S power 9 by 2. And we know that this is result number 1, this is result number 2. Again we can write gamma in fact actually n factorial divided by s plus 1 also we can write. So here gamma of n plus 1 is equal to n into gamma of n. N into gamma of n. N into gamma of n. So similarly, or otherwise gamma of n is equal to n minus 1 into gamma of n minus 1. N minus 1 into gamma of n minus 1. Okay, so these are the results. So I am going to apply this result. This is equal to gamma of 9 by 2 is equal to 9 by 2 minus 1. 9 by 2 minus 1 into gamma of 9 by 2 minus 1. Okay. So again this is equal to 9 by 2 minus 1 is 7 by 2. 7 by 2 into gamma of 7 by 2. Gamma of 7 by 2 is equal to 7 by 2 minus 1 into gamma of 7 by 2 minus 1. Okay. So this is equal to 7 by 2 into 5 by 2. 5 by 2 into, so this is gamma of 5 by 2. Gamma of 5 by 2 is equal to 5 by 2 minus 1. 5 by 2 minus 1 is what? 3 by 2. 5 by 2 minus 1 is 3 by 2 into gamma of 3 by 2. Into gamma of 3 by 2. Gamma of 3 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2 minus 1. 3 by 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2 into gamma 1 by 2. Into gamma 1 by 2. Understood? So therefore, you do like that, you will be getting this. So therefore, this is equal to 7 into 5, 35. So 35 into 3, 105. 105 divided by 8 into gamma of half. So we know that gamma half is equal to square root of 5. So 105 divided by 8 into square root of 5. Since gamma half is equal to square root of 5. Since gamma half is equal to square root of 5. So this is the Laplace transformation of e power 7 by 2. This e power 7 by 2. So then here actually then gamma half is equal to this. So again I can write this is equal to 1 by s power 9 by 2. 1 by s power 9 by 2. This is equal to 1 by s power 9 by 2. 1 by s power 9 by 2. So this is nothing but Laplace transformation of t power 7 by 2. Now Laplace transformation of e power minus 2t into t power 7 by 2 is equal to s is replaced by, so here is 105 divided by 8 into square root of 5 into s is replaced by s plus 2. S is replaced by s plus 2. S plus 2 the whole power, s plus 2 the whole power 9 by 2. S plus 2 the whole power 9 by 2. So therefore, so the required answer for this Laplace transformation of e power minus 2t into t power 7 by 2 is equal to 105 into square root of pi divided by 8 into s plus 2 whole power 9 by 2. Okay. The fifth problem is the next property. If L of f of t is equal to f of s, L of f of t is equal to f of s, then Laplace transformation of t power n into f of t, which is equal to when that function is multiplied with t power n, so we have to take minus 1 power n into dy ds of d power n by ds power n of Laplace transformation of f of t. Laplace transformation of f of t. This is most very important property. Suppose n is equal to 1, we will be getting minus. So we have to differentiate with respect to s one time. So suppose t is equal to 2, so here is plus, we have to differentiate, so because L of f of t is a function of s, so that function of s will be differentiating with respect to s 2 times. Okay, so therefore find the Laplace transformation of question number 5. Find the Laplace transformation of t into sin 3t. Find the Laplace transformation of t into sin 3t. So therefore by using the formula. So this is equal to Laplace transformation of t into sin 3t is equal to, now because t power 1 is there, so therefore here is minus 1 power 1, that is minus 1 into d by ds of n is equal to 1 Laplace transformation of f of t. So this is equal to Laplace transformation of what? Sin 3t. Laplace transformation of sin 3t. So therefore this is equal to minus d by ds into sin 3t. We know the formula, sin 80 Laplace transformation of sin 80. Laplace transformation of sin 80 is equal to a divided by s squared plus a squared. So therefore here 3 divided by s squared plus 9. S squared plus 9. Now differentiating this with respect to s. So 3 is constant, we will take out minus 3. So I am going to differentiate 1 by s squared plus 9. So this can be written as s squared plus 9 the whole power minus 1. The whole power minus 1. Differentiating function, suppose y is equal to x power n, dy by dx is equal to n into x power n minus 1 into differentiation of this function. Differentiation of this function is 1. Okay. So similarly you have to do it. d by ds of this function is equal to n into minus 1 into s squared plus 9 the whole power minus 1 into differentiation of this function. Okay. So this is equal to 2s. Here differentiation of this function is equal to 1, therefore we will not write 1 here, but here we have to write. Okay. So therefore this is equal to 1 by s squared plus 9. Okay. So therefore I can write this is equal to minus 1 divided by another minus 1 into 2s, that is minus 2s divided by s squared plus 9 the whole power 2. S squared plus 9 the whole square. So therefore, so 3 into minus 2s divided by s squared plus 9 the whole square. S squared plus 9 the whole square. So therefore 6s divided by s squared plus 9 the whole square. Okay. Next question is, problem number 6 is, find Laplace transformation of t squared into sin t. Laplace transformation of t squared into sin t. So now solution. So here n is equal to 2. Laplace transformation of t squared into sin t is equal to minus 1 square into d square by ds squared into Laplace transformation of f of t. F of t is sin t. F of t is sin t. So therefore this is equal to minus 1 squared is 1. Therefore d square by ds squared into Laplace transformation of sin a t is equal to a divided by s squared plus a squared. S squared plus a squared. So this we have to differentiate 2 times. So therefore again this is equal to d by ds of, again d by ds, 2 times differentiate. First we have to differentiate with respect to s first. So therefore this is equal to 1 by s square plus 1. So this is equal to d by ds of, differentiating this means what? S square plus 1 minus 1, therefore minus 1 into s square plus 1 the whole power minus 2 into 2s into 2s. So therefore minus 2s divided by s square plus 1 the whole square, s square plus 1 the whole square. Differentiating this with respect to s. Okay. So now differentiating this here, actually we did like that. Here u by v method, differentiation of u by v is equal to v squared into v into du minus u into dv. So therefore I can do it v squared is equal to how much? S squared plus 1 the whole square, therefore power 4. Okay. So now what about v? V is equal to what? S square plus 1 the whole square. This is v. Du is what? Differentiating this. Du is minus 2. Minus u into u is what? Minus 2s into minus dv, differentiating this. So this is equal to 2 times of s squared plus 1 into 2s. S squared plus 1 into 2s. Okay. So therefore I can write s squared plus 1 the whole square. I will take out s square plus 1 not whole square. S square plus 1 I will take out. We will be getting what? S square plus 1 minus 2. Upon minus 2 s squared minus 2. Here is minus into minus plus 8 s square plus 8 s square, because minus into minus plus 2s to 8 s square plus 1 will come out. So therefore 8 s square divided by s squared plus 1 the whole power 4. S squared plus 1 the whole power 4. So therefore I can write this is equal to 8s square minus 2s square, therefore 6s square minus 2 divided by, so this and this will be cancelled. So therefore s squared plus 1 the whole power 3. So this is our required answer for Laplace transformation of t square sin t. Okay. So this is problem number 5. Okay, this is problem number 5. Okay. Then problem number 6 is sorry, this is 6. This is 7. The last one is 6. This is 7. Problem number 7. Find Laplace transformation of t into e power t into sin t. So solution. We know that Laplace transformation of t into sin t is equal to minus dy ds of Laplace transformation of sin t. Okay, already, and we know that Laplace transformation of e power t sin t, which is equal to Laplace transformation of sin t, Laplace transformation of sin t, then s tends to s minus 1, s tends to s minus 1. Combining these two equations, combining these two results, I will be getting Laplace transformation of e power t into t sin t. This is equal to Laplace transformation of t sin t is minus dy ds of Laplace transformation of sin t, Laplace transformation of sin t. So the e power t is nothing but, so therefore the total result we have to replace s by s minus 1. We have to replace s by s minus 1. First we have to do this, then after getting the result, then in that result s is replaced by s minus 1, so you will be getting the required result. Okay, good. So therefore first we have to find out minus dy ds of Laplace transformation of sin t, Laplace transformation of sin t. So this is equal to minus dy ds of, what is sin t? 1 by s squared plus 1, 1 by s squared plus 1. So this is equal to that, we know that, so minus 1, already minus of minus 1 into s squared plus 1, the whole power minus 2 into 2s, 2 into 2s. So therefore minus 1 into minus plus, therefore 2s divided by s squared plus 1 the whole power 2, s squared plus 1 the whole power 2. Now, so this is nothing but minus dy ds of Laplace transformation of sin t, Laplace transformation of sin t. Now we need this is equal to minus dy ds of Laplace transformation of sin t. Okay, the whole s tends to s minus 1. So therefore here, so this is equal to 2s divided by s squared plus 1 the whole square. So therefore again s is replaced by s minus 1. S is replaced by s minus 1. So therefore I can write 2 times of s minus 1 divided by s minus 1 the whole square plus 1 the s minus 1 the whole square plus 1 the whole square. This is equal to 2s minus 2 divided by s square. Okay, so this is equal to, because s square plus 1 the whole square. So here is s square plus, s square minus 2s, s square minus 2s plus 1 plus 1, that is plus 2 the whole square, which is our required result. Okay, so therefore 2s minus 2, therefore 2s minus 2 divided by s square minus 2s plus 2 whole square is our required Laplace transformation of t into e power t into sin t. Okay, thank you.